Hello everyone. So how are you? You're fine? Very good. In last period we studied the poem Children are going to school. Which poem did we study? Children are going to school. Now in the beginning only I want to give you homework of this poem. Write the summary of this poem. Okay, read the poem one time, time, three times, four times, and write the summary in your own words. See the video back, what I have taught, and write. Today we shall see the activities which are given below the poem. Okay, pointers. What are we going to study? Pointers. Read the poem aloud. So you have to read the poem aloud. Okay, this is the first activity. Second, find at least two things from the poem that show following. Two things you have to find out. First, it is early in the morning, and second, the atmosphere is pleasant. Pleasant means what? Happy. Pleasant means happy, delightful. Okay, such lines, such things you have to find out. Two things, and you have to write for this. Now third, apart from the children, no other human beings are mentioned in the poem. However, many natural elements are shown to act like persons. Name them and also write what they do. In this poem, who are mentioned? Only children are mentioned. Big people are mentioned. Elderly people are mentioned. No, they are not mentioned. Only children, girls and boys. Now see, other natural elements which are there like persons. Yes, people, old people, women, men, animals, butterflies. Yes, write about them. Okay. Number fourth activity, draw a picture of the scene described in the poem. In the poem, picture is shown. Now, of your own imagination, you have to draw a picture. See, you have got chance for drawing. Draw a very beautiful picture. Okay. Now next, the whole world is happy because children are going to school. Why is it so? Discuss it in the classroom. The whole world is happy. Why? Because children are going to school. Why do you feel so? Why do you feel so? Discuss, think, and write this answer. Okay. Now, next activity, write about how your family supports you to go to school. Your family. Your family means who? Your brothers, sisters, your mother, your father, your grandfather, grandmother. Yes. How do they support? That you have to write. When you go to school, what does mother do? Mother prepares a tiffin for you. When you come to home, at that time mother or father take your homework. Yes. And while going to school, grandparents, grandmother, they say you bye bye with smiling face. Yes. Means when they like, what do they like? That you are going to school. That you have to write in this question, this answer. Okay. Next, seventh activity. What would you happen if children didn't go to school? Discuss the question in groups of 5 to 8 and prepare a short composition on it. Now see, very a real question it is. What would happen if children didn't go to school? Now you are not going to school, my dear students. I know. You are missing your school. You are missing your school a lot. But luckily, your teachers and your school, they are supporting you. How are they supporting? They are teaching you online. Right? They are teaching you online. That's why you can get your education online on your mobile. You can enjoy. It is also one kind of education. It is also one kind of education. So write on it. What do you feel? And send to me. Okay. Next, write in short about what your parents, guardians feel when they send you to school. Write in short what your parents, guardians feel when they send you to school. What do how do your parents feel when you are in school? Or guardians. Guardians means with whom you are living. How do they feel? Obviously, they feel very happy. When you are going to school, they feel very happy because they feel that my son, my daughter, my children, they are studying at school, they are playing, they are dancing, they are enjoying the school. Like that, they feel. That's why they feel very much happy. Am I right? Now, next, list five of your uh, Hindi or Marathi poems, songs. Five or Marathi poems or songs. Try to translate any one of them into English. And choosing easy poem you can choose from Hindi and Marathi. Okay. And try to translate them in English. Yes. If you have any doubt or any problem, ask your teacher regarding any word, sentences, how to write. Okay. Or even you are having a dictionary in your mobile, you can find out Marathi to English, English to Marathi, Hindi to English, English to English to Hindi, like this. Okay. If you don't have, download it. You will get. Okay. And another last activity, 10th one. Visit a library, find a school poem, recite it to your parents. Go to a library. I know it is not possible to go library, but what can you do? You can find out a poem. Yes. How can you find out poem? From the internet. Just type the line poem for children. Many poems will come and you can get. Which you feel suitable, read. Small poem you can take or small big poem you can read and you can say in front of your parents. Right? This is also one activity you will enjoy. And your parents also, they will also enjoy. Okay? Will you do it? Okay. Now here project is given here. Let us see what is that project. A project, sources of light. List all possible sources of light which enable you to see. Try to list at least 10 to 15 sources of light. Which are the you may add the following to your list. Different kinds of lamps in your house. Sources of light. Lamp, from lamp we get. Yes. Again, different sources you see in nature. Different sources used by man in past, etc. Man also used some sources. Sun also it gives us light. Yes, in daytime. At night, who gives us light? Moon. When moon is not there, who gives us light? Stars. Yes. Apart from these sources, again there are many sources which are created by men. Those sources also can mention here. Okay. B. Collect as many pictures as you can or draw diagrams of all sources you have listed above. Make a scrapbook using them. Make a scrapbook of you can draw or you can collect if you are getting. If you don't get, then imagine and draw. Easy, na? Stars, moon, sun, lamp, tube light. Many sources are there. Our mobile torch also. Mobile torch also gives us light. Yes, such pictures you have to draw. If you get pictures ready-made, make it scrapbook. Okay, and show me. After making scrapbook, you can bring that scrapbook to school and you can show me. Okay, if you make it, if I like it, I will give you a prize. Huh? I will give you a prize. It's my promise. You can make a scrapbook. Huh? If you don't get idea, you can call me. I will tell you for making scrapbook. What is your favorite sources of light? Right? It's autobiography, 10 to 15 lines. Sources of light. Your favorite source of light. Your favorite source of light. Huh? If you like, for example, if you like tube, right? It is a source of light. Then write its autobiography. Hello, I am tube, I give light. Or hello, if you want to write on bulb, you can write on bulb. Hello, I am bulb, I give light. Yes, like this you can write of your own 10 to 15 lines at least. So here these are the activities which we have completed, which is given below. Children are going to school. So at home you complete this activity and send to me on WhatsApp. Okay, got it? Till then, bye bye.